What's good, everyone? BTC The Villain back with another unboxing. Let's get right into it. Alright, so right off the bat, you see we have a rainbow box. I think it was kind of fitting opening the rainbow box with the rainbow knife. You know what I mean? So let's get this to the side. Ooh, right there, it says Be True. Size tag, Nike Air Force 1 Be True, white, multicolored, size 13. Retail is $120. Peel this lid back. You have two sheets of paper. First sheet says Be True on it. Continues onto the back. And then you pull back this other sheet of paper and peel this back. And as you guys can see, you know, obviously this is the Nike Air Force 1 Be True. The Air Force 1 Be True. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is an all-white makeup of the Air Force 1 with tumbled leather, patent leather swoosh with a hologram outline, white laces, kind of a holographic type lace lock. Getting into the back, you have the pride flag, and I did a little bit of research because I didn't know what the black and the brown was for, but it was actually for people of color within the gay community, and I thought that was dope. And then the light pink and light blue are for trans people. And I took the insoles out just so you guys can see. It does say Be True on the insole, and it has a color gradient from red to purple, and all the colors of the rainbow. I thought this was a really nice touch. Taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, it's just a basic all white translucent bottom, and they will get yellow over time, and I do plan on wearing these eventually. Just need to find the right fit for them and all that. It says Air and Nike, but instead of like the Nike typing, it has the pride flag. Same thing on the tongue. So it matches that. So yeah, man, there you guys have it. This is my unboxing of the Air Force 1 Be True. The reason why I bought these is because I just feel like it's very important to support communities such as the gay rights community, because you know they're still kind of fighting for their rights. So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Air Force 1 Be True. I think these are super dope. I've been waiting for these to come out for a few months now, ever since, you know, last year they had the same thing, and I wanted to get the 270s, but I missed out on them, so I was kind of anticipating this year's release, and now I finally got them. And these are actually pretty widely available on the Nike site. I thought they'd sell out immediately, but they really didn't, even though they had me in line on sneakers, on the sneakers app, which I didn't really get, since they still had sizes left. So I mean, yeah, that's my review and unboxing. So real quick, I wanted to compare the Dominican Republic forces to the Pride forces. So as you guys can see, these are all basically all white Air Force 1 mock-ups. This one has more of a smooth leather, and this one's more tumbled. Turn over to the side. It has a holographic swoosh with that white border. That's 3M. And this one has a patent leather swoosh, and the border is holographic. And I wanted to show off the bottom, which both have all translucent outsoles, except this one's a little bit more aged because it's been out since I think 2016 or 15, and this one's brand new. So alright guys, so that's it from my end, just showing you guys an unboxing, kind of a comparison between those and the Dominicans. And so if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.